Hey guys, just finished working out a few minutes ago and looking for something to eat. I am starving. I'm sure you guys feel the same way after a tough workout. So, I don't feel like making a big meal, but I need to get some protein and some complex carbs into my system right away so my body can recover. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a blueberry protein smoothie. It has about 45 grams of protein and some really good complex carbs to it. So let's make our way into the kitchen and get this thing started. And we are back in the kitchen getting ready to make this blueberry protein smoothie. So what I've done is I've actually laid out all the ingredients here on the counter, and we're gonna go through them one by one, put them in the blender, show you guys how much to use, and get this show on the road and get some protein in my body, and hopefully in yours as well. So let's do it. Guys, as always, please make sure to wash all your fruits and vegetables off before you put them into the blender. All right, back to it. Okay, so what I've done is I have laid out all of our ingredients here in order that I want to put them in, and then I have my blender right here in the background for easy access. As you guys will be able to see, I've pre-measured everything out because I only have one hand and the other hand is holding the camera, so it's a little hard to hold the camera and also put the ingredients in. So let's get started. We're gonna use one big handful of baby spinach, and we're gonna put that in the blender first. Make sure to pack it down in there. That's gonna be our first ingredient. It's important to put the leafy greens in first because it just helps blend it better. Okay, next guys, we're gonna put in the carrots. And what I just did is I just got a nice handful of carrots. That's it, no measuring it out. And we're gonna put that right there, up on top. All right, I missed one. Gonna put that in there as well. All right, next, celery. So what I do is I get 2 stalks of celery, wash it off, break it up, and then stick that in there as well. All right, and then last but not least here, we got some broccoli, and I just got about a palm size here to put in. You don't need too much here, but a little bit goes a long way for nutrition when it comes to broccoli. So let's put that in there as well. All right, next we have our organic vegan protein powder. 2 scoops of this equals about 22 grams of protein. So I'm just gonna use 1 scoop, as you can see I've measured out, and we're gonna stick that in. So next we're gonna use organic soy milk. I like the vanilla, I think it tastes really good. You get 7 grams of protein per cup, and I like to use it as a good source of liquid. I've already pre-measured 1 cup in here, so we're gonna add that in as well. So next what I like to use are egg whites. These are packed with protein and no cholesterol. This carton right here has about 50 grams of protein in it, which is about 2 cups. So what I like to do is I like to add 1 cup, and you get 25 grams of protein. Again, I've pre-measured, and you cannot even taste this in your shake. Just a great source of protein. And last but not least, we're gonna add some frozen blueberries. Again, I've pre-measured a cup of these, so let's add these up on top. All right, 1 left. Come on. All right. Okay guys, and as a bonus secret ingredient for some nice complex carbs, I'm gonna add a little bit of sweet potato here. Now, the sweet potato is awesome. You're gonna get the complex carbs you need, and also it's gonna help make your smoothie a little bit smoother and a little bit more creamy. So this thing is awesome. Let's add this into the top. Now that we've got all our ingredients in here, let's close this thing up and mix. Okay, and we are done. So now that we're done, I am gonna pour this awesome shake into my tumbler, and it fills it all the way up. Perfect. Ah, that looks so good. So now that we're done, I'm going to go and enjoy my shake and enjoy this beautiful day that we have here. If you like the video and like the content, please hit the like button down below and also the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when any new videos come out. I'm trying to put new videos out about once a week. So if you have any comments or want to let me know how your smoothie came out, let me know in the comments down below. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.